Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I just wanted to showcase this cool folding portable, very portable solar panel. And so that's the topic of today. And so let's just get right into it. This panel I have already featured on my channel in the past. I did receive this panel for free from Gouda, but that was I think a year ago. And I just have this. I still have this panel, and I was just thinking about it. This thing is really, really cool. So let me go ahead and show it to you. Got some Velcro on the front there, and just as you would expect, it turns into this massive solar panel. This is a 30-watt panel that you can take practically anywhere. It's so tiny and lightweight. I love it. In fact, it even lists some of the specs here on the inside here. And it only weighs 2.4 pounds. So if you're thinking about this for backpacking or something like that, something good to know there. Let's go ahead and keep opening it here. We've got a zipper pouch. And got a couple adapters and cable here. So it's kind of cool. If you see this, this is the main hub where you can charge everything off of. You've got USB-A and USB-C, and then you've got a few other adapters that you can use to charge different things. So you can use these along with this that plugs right into here as an extension, and then you can charge multiple different devices right off of that. And then you have these carabiners that you can use on these corner pieces here that you can hang it from pretty much anything. But kind of nice that it's got a storage cubby. And if you noticed, the light is red because there's no battery in this, but it's red and on because the solar panels are collecting a source of light enough to show that it is capable of charging, even in this darker, lighter room. But anyway, so those pieces go in here. You can store other charging cables in here, whatever you want in here. So, very nice and handy. But I mean, let's just think of the different use case scenarios for this panel. So, the first obvious one that comes to mind is backpacking. So if you're going on a trip, multiple days, you need to recharge your phone, your camera, GPS, headlight, flashlights, any other electronics that you might need to recharge. This would probably be a really good panel to take because there are several other panels out there you can use for backpacking. But a lot of times what I find is it's only a 10-watt panel. So it's a third of this size. And yes, if you're really hyper-focused on how much weight you're carrying, then I can understand that. But hey, if you've got limited sun and you can afford 2.4 pounds to get 30 watts of charging capability, that's perfect. You know, charge your cameras, charge your phone, all that. So we can think of that obvious use case scenario of backpacking for camping. Something else that you could use this for, let me think. Okay, so I thought of a second use that you could use this for. Might seem a little silly, but on a road trip, you're with all your friends, everyone's hogging the USB ports, or you don't have enough to charge everyone's phone. You can just set this in the dashboard, on the dashboard of your car, and then plug your phone in, start charging, free power off the sun. So that's cool. Also, if you're going on a picnic, third case scenario, just bring this along. You can charge your phone, your camera, and that's what it's designed for. As it's got two USB ports, A and C. That's the main use case scenario for this panel. Is you're going to be charging phones or cameras or little electronic devices like that. I'm sure there's plenty of other uses you can use this panel for, but essentially it's going to be for portable situations, camping, backpacking, picnic, road trips, events, whatever you can think of, bike riding, outdoor adventures. This is a sweet panel that you can put in your backpack, bring along with you, charge your phones, and have plenty of power that you need them for. And again, how thin and lightweight this is. It's got the Velcro right there. This is a sweet panel. Look how thin it is. Length and everything. That's really cool. So I hope you got some good value out of this video today. If you're interested in this product, I'll have the link down below in the description. You can check it out on Amazon. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.